In primetime news this evening, $1 billion price tag, the cost to retrofit offices yet to be occupied by the TAG. Prime Minister reveals a medium to long-term plan to address water crisis in western Jamaica. And later, a community in mourning as a well-known footballer is killed in Denham Town.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And a special hello to our folks watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Janella Precious. And with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Well, the estimates are in. The Planning Institute of Jamaica, PIOJ, says the economy grew in the first quarter. What were the factors? I'll give the details later on.
And Jordan Fort has the details of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Well, Archie, Jamaican football fans will have to wait a little while longer to know the Reggae Boys squad. Of course, they're getting ready for World Cup qualifying come next Thursday. And we'll also have more on that story on the killing of popular local footballer Rafiq Thomas in Primetime Sports Tuesday as well.
Okay, thank you so much, Jordan. Now, he promised rain. Not that he's Jesus Christ or anything, but Romain is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report.
Thanks, Janelle. No, the shower activity has not been as widespread as we have been monitoring, but we still did have some significant shower activity across most of the north, as well as some sections of the southeast earlier this afternoon.
So someone delivered rain. He didn't deliver rain. There's also sports commentary as well as E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, how do you dispose of bulky waste from your home?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.